Hi everybody, welcome to my channel. Today we're going to be making a beef Wellington with creamy garlic mashed potatoes. Okay, let's get started. Okay, you will need the following ingredients: a matured filet steak, ghee, garlic. I put garlic in everything. Half a cup of red wine. This is not for drinking. Dark muscovado, large potatoes depending on how many people you want to serve, and creme fraiche, cream cheese, and a rolled puff pastry. Asparagus also depends on how many people you want to serve. Melt the ghee in a pan and put your filet steak and turning it occasionally. In a separate bowl, mix the muscovado with red wine, hoping you haven't drunk it at this point. Then reduce the heat to very, very low and cover the pan. Then pour over the mixture of the red wine and the muscovado. And add garlic, depending on how much garlic you like. I like a lot of garlic. Then you want to make sure that you're cooking your potatoes at this point to save time. My fillet was medium to well, so I cooked it for slightly longer and until it was like a reddish brown color. Take your cream cheese and smear it on the rolled out puff paste. Add olive oil and garlic and smear it on top of the cream cheese. Transfer over the filet steak and add boiled baby spinach and roll it up, adding garlic and olive oil. Then roll another layer of the puff pastry. This is the one that you're going to brush with the egg wash, and sprinkle some lovely sesame seeds to make it look very nice. And then you can bake that in the oven for 180 degrees. While you're doing that, prepare the mashed potatoes and the plating, and voila, it's ready to serve. A really cool tip for plating here is adding that reduction you made with the wine and the muscovado that's left over in your pan, and then placing the mashed potato and then your beef Wellington on top, then drizzling some of the reduction. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to follow Dining with D on Instagram for some more cool recipes.